today, undoubtedly, the topic which is on the company audit and the learned, bold, and brave chartered accountants who have come to give their experiential learning to all of you people will be cherished by each one of you. There may be a probability that there will be a little low of one particular speaker and one high of a particular speaker. But one thing you all have to understand and appreciate is these people have come forward to show you something new and different. So this boldness, I think we all have to appreciate.
Dear friends, we are thankful to all the panelists who are part of the hackathons in the past and today present also. And we are very happy to convey you that our hackathons are super successful and people are enjoying a lot. Your videos of 10 minutes are posted in AI in ICI website. Use cases are also given of this each hackathon, and people are enjoying this hackathon in their day-to-day use of AI in their CA offices.
And now, moving to the next use case, we have CA Vishal Gandhi, sir. Sir, I request you to please present your use case. We will be giving you 10 minutes to present your use case. Please, over to you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Good evening, everyone. And today, my problem statement was preparation of Caro reports in a faster way. The thing is, after we complete the balance sheet, Caro reports take considerable time, and most of the time, since the companies are small, it's a repetitive work, and most of the compliances are nil. So what I've done is I've used ChatGPT. So I'll just share the screen right now. So is the screen visible now, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the object here was to prepare a Caro checklist, check alongside with the balance sheet and generate the report. This has to be done in a very faster way, streamlined way, in such a way that there is a proper audit documentation, and we complete it with highest efficiency possible. What I've done is, first I've generated GPT and I've given it my office format of Annexure A to Caro. This is my office format which I've already uploaded, and then I've given a prompt that this is the draft Caro report, and prepare an Excel file for all the reporting points, and the answers will be mostly in yes and no formats. Wherever required, the user will be giving comments. So ensure that all the points are properly covered and there is no omission of points in the checklist. Based on that, it has given me all the list of points. Now these points, then it has transferred me in Excel, which is a CSV file. This Excel file will be looking something like this. I'll just open that file. Since it was a CSV file, I could just copy paste it, and then I have reformatted it for better understanding of users. So this is the reporting points, the proper records maintained. The user will say yes and no. And if there are any comments, it will write a comment. If there are some comments it was to mention in the report, the comments will be written over here. So for example, here for the physically verified, are the PP physically verified by the management and discrepancies is noticed dealt with? The answer is yes, and there are no discrepancies. Similarly, I have taken here that all the dues are paid in time. There are no outstanding dues of statutory liabilities. These reports will be made one time, and our assistant can make this report very fast based on the balance sheets what we are giving to them and the tax audit reports they are having. So once this report is done, we can have a second prompt. The second prompt, this prompt, the first prompt you have to use just one time, and the second prompt we can use again and again. So what will happen in the second prompt is, there are same draft report, my office format I've given here in the ChatGPT. I've submitted the balance sheet, which I had again prepared in Schedule 3, and the Caro Excel format, which we have recently filled. Once the Caro Excel is filled, then I've given that I've uploaded the Caro for Word format file, the balance sheet in Schedule 3, the balance sheet and profit and loss, and the Excel file, which has the Caro checklist. Okay. Once this is done, what ChatGPT does is it will automatically pick up all the names from the balance sheet. See, the name is coming here directly. Wherever there was a reporting for here, for example, no material discrepancies were noticed from the comment it has picked up for, say, for the statutory dues. All the dues have been regularly deposited with the authorities. So for Nidhi companies, the company is not a Nidhi company. So whatever comments we have written, it has taken into account all those comments, picked up all my personal data, that is the name of the company, the period for which I am reporting. And then again, it has taken the next step is the name of the auditors has also picked up from the balance sheet. So what this will do is it will just ease up the process of filing the reports. And for small companies, the user can do it at a very faster scale. So this is what I have done entirely. That report comes in the Word file, which is here again shown as a download file. Once I download it, the certificate is ready. What I have to do is just generate the UDIN number and upload it. So that's all. This is the case I have presented for today.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your presentation. I would like to mention that the topic of this presentation was generation of Analyzer A of Caro report preparation using AI.
Right.
And the tools that was
Right.
used was ChatGPT, Gamma app, ICICA GPT, and Excel. I would and thank you for the
Right.
presentation.